Have you ever wondered how KFC makes its crispy, delicious chicken? It's not just about the secret recipe. It's an entire process inside massive factories. From fresh chicken to seasoning, frying, and packing, every step is carefully designed to ensure that signature taste. Today we're taking you inside a KFC factory to uncover exactly how it's made. Step 1. Sourcing the chicken. KFC gets its chicken from large farms, where chickens are raised for about 6 weeks. These chickens are fed a special diet to help them grow big and healthy. The farms follow strict regulations to ensure they are well cared for and safe. When the chickens are ready, they are transported to a factory in temperature-controlled trucks. This keeps the meat fresh and safe during the journey. Upon arrival, workers carefully inspect each chicken to ensure it meets KFC's high-quality standards. Only the best chickens are selected to become the crispy, golden KFC chicken loved by millions. Step 2. Processing and butchering. When the chickens arrive at the factory, they are carefully checked to ensure they are fresh and safe. Then, they go through a meticulous cleaning process to prepare them for cooking. Large machines swiftly and precisely cut the chickens into different parts: drumsticks, wings, thighs, and breasts. This process is done with exact consistency, ensuring each piece looks the same. Workers and machines thoroughly remove any unwanted parts, leaving only the best quality pieces. After cutting, the chicken is washed again and stored at the perfect temperature to maintain freshness. Step 3. The secret seasoning mix. This is where the special KFC flavor comes from. After the chicken is cut into pieces, it must be seasoned before cooking. KFC uses a secret mix of 11 different herbs and spices to give the chicken its famous taste. The exact ingredients? A mystery. Only a few people in the world know the full recipe. However, some common ingredients, like salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder, are believed to be part of it. Inside the factory, workers use large machines to mix these spices, ensuring the seasoning is perfectly even. Then, the chicken is coated with this special blend before moving on to the next step. And that, right there, is what makes KFC chicken taste different from any other fried chicken. Step 4. The hand breading process. After the chicken is cleaned and cut into pieces, it's time to give it that signature crispy coating, KFC's special flour mix. But this isn't done by machines. No, it's done by hand, ensuring every piece is just right. First, the chicken is dipped into water. This step is crucial. It helps the flour stick perfectly. Then, it goes into a large bowl filled with a seasoned flour mix. But there's a precise method to this process. It's called 7-10-7. Here's how it works. The chicken is moved around in the flour 7 times, pressed down 10 times, and then flipped 7 times. This isn't random. It's a technique designed to create that perfect, even coating. And when fried, that's what gives the chicken its iconic crunch. Once fully coated, the chicken is placed on trays and sent to the frying area. Step 5. The high-pressure frying. After the chicken is coated with flour and seasoning, it's ready to be cooked. But KFC doesn't use regular frying like most restaurants. Instead, they use a special method called pressure frying. The chicken is placed inside a tightly sealed fryer. As soon as it's closed, pressure starts to build up, just like in a pressure cooker. This unique technique allows the chicken to cook faster, while keeping it juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside. But that's not all. The high pressure helps the seasoning stick perfectly to the chicken, giving it that iconic KFC flavor. And in just 12 minutes, the chicken is fully cooked, hot, crispy, and ready to be served. This one-of-a-kind frying method is one of the secrets behind KFC's irresistible, world-famous chicken. Step 6. Packaging and delivery. After the chicken is cooked, it needs to be packed and sent to KFC restaurants. First, workers carefully take out the freshly fried chicken and place it in warm trays to keep it hot. Then, they carefully select the right pieces, drumsticks, wings, and thighs, placing them into KFC's iconic red and white buckets. Each bucket is thoroughly checked to ensure it has the correct number of pieces before being securely sealed. Once packed, the chicken is placed into large heated boxes to keep it fresh and crispy during delivery. These boxes are then loaded onto trucks, ready to be transported to KFC restaurants nearby. The entire process is fast, efficient, and precise, ensuring that every customer gets hot, crispy, and delicious chicken every single time. There are many myths about KFC chicken, and here are 2 of the biggest ones. Some believe KFC chicken is made in a lab or genetically modified with extra wings and legs. But that's completely false. KFC only uses real, farm-raised chickens from approved suppliers. Others claim that KFC's famous 11 herbs and spices are just artificial flavors or chemicals. But the truth is, the recipe includes simple, natural ingredients like salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. The real secret? It's how they're mixed. So, the next time you take a bite of KFC, you'll know exactly what went into making it. What surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, subscribe for more fascinating factory processes.